Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Now let's create a new composition, name it as Title 4. For this composition, I will set time duration to 5 seconds, remaining everything will be same. Now let's add the titles. First here we will add all the text layers, and later on we will animate them one by one. For this text layer, I will be using Objective Font Family, font style to black. Here you are free to set the font size according to your text. Reduce the tracking amount. Now let's add another text layer. Place it below the first text layer. Now let's add the third text layer. For this text layer, let's reduce the font size. For this text layer, I will make some changes. I will change font style to medium. You can also set it to regular. This is just to make our text stand out, look attractive, or eye-catching. Now make sure you have not selected any of these text layers. Now select the pen tool. For fill option, make sure it's set to none. For stroke option, make sure it's set to solid color. Now let's create a line between the main text and subtext. Create line as shown. Here you can set the stroke value for the line. I will set it to 10. Now for this shape layer. In Content, Shape 1. Transform. Set skew value to 22. Now at 2 seconds, create keyframe for skew. Now at start. Change skew value to 0. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's animate the text layers. Select the text, press P to bring up position, create keyframe for position. Now at start, change X position value as shown, position it outside the frame. Perfect. Now do the same for second text layer, create position keyframe at 2 seconds. Now at start, change position as shown, place it outside of frame. Now for subtext, press P to bring up position, at 2 seconds, create keyframe. Now at start, change position value as shown, this time we will place subtext at opposite direction. You can see the preview. Perfect. Here our text animation is done. Now select the rectangle tool, set fill option to solid color. Set stroke option to none. Now you need to create the shape layer as shown. Perfect. For this rectangle shape, in Transform, set skew value to 22. Now position this shape layer beside the line. Perfect. Now for this shape layer, at 2 seconds, create keyframe for skew. At start, change skew value to 0. You can see the preview. Now let's create 2 duplicates of this shape layer. For easy identification I will rename shape 1 as line. Place shape 2 above title 1, for text 1, change track matte to alpha inverted mate. Place shape 3 layer above second text layer. For second text layer change track matte to alpha inverted matte shape layer 3. Do the same for subtext also. Here I have created this extra layer, I will just delete it. For this subtext layer, change track matte to alpha matte shape layer 4. You can see the preview. Now here you can see that we need to create some distance between the shape layer and text layer. Let's adjust the position of the shape layer. Adjust the position for shape layer, 4, 3 and 2. Now you can see the preview. Now let's animate the line. For line, press P to bring up position. Now at 2 seconds, create keyframe for position. Now at start, change position value for the line as shown. Now for this line, let's add trim path. For trim path, at 2 seconds, create keyframe for start. Now at start of the timeline, change start to 100%. If you want to change the direction, then in shape, click on reverse the path. This will change the flow direction. Now press U to view all created keyframes. Select all keyframes. Change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now let's adjust the speed graph. Adjust the speed graph as shown. Now select shape layer, 2, 3 and 4. Now parent shape layers to line. Now this shape layers will follow the line layer, you can see the preview. Now select all layers, pre-compose them. Name it as main title. Now for this title composition, go to time, let's enable time remapping. Now at 2 seconds, create keyframe for time remap. Now at 3 seconds, change time remap to 2 seconds. This will be our hold duration. Now for end keyframe, change time value to 0. Now let's see the complete preview from start. Perfect. You can see the in and out effect. Here our fourth motion lower third graphics is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, see you next week with another awesome tutorial.